Welcome to an awesome new adventure with joyriding gloves as we explore Texas, USA. Landing at George Bush Intercontinental Airport in the evening means you'll face a bit of traffic, but the drive to Sugarland offers a mix of cityscapes and open roads.
Since this is your first stop in the United States, everyone needs to claim any checked baggage.
This journey takes you southwest through Houston's bustling highways before easing into the more relaxed atmosphere of Sugarland. Along the way, you'll experience the dynamic transition from Houston's urban core to the carefully planned suburban feel of Sugarland. Let's explore the sights, traffic patterns, and most importantly, the vibrant dining and nightlife scene waiting at our destination. Once you exit the airport, you'll merge into Beltway 8, a loop road that encircles Houston. Expect some congestion, especially near major intersections and toll plazas, as evening traffic peaks. The skyline of Houston looms ahead as you navigate the multi-lane highways where the city's energy is evident in the steady stream of headlights. The tollway ensures a relatively smooth ride, but occasional slowdowns are common as you approach major exits. Next, you'll transition into US 59 South, also known as the Southwest Freeway. This stretch of road takes you past some of Houston's most diverse neighborhoods. On your right, you'll see the bustling areas of Greens Point and Aldine, while on the left, a web of smaller roads lead to shopping centers and international dining spots. As the city skyline fades in your rearview mirror, the traffic gradually thins, giving you a more open road as you approach Sugarland. This drive offers a rather fascinating shift in scenery. The towering buildings of Houston give way to tree-lined streets and master-planned communities as you move closer to Sugarland. Along the way, you might notice the changing pace. Cars that were once darting aggressively through lanes in Houston now settle into a steadier rhythm. The evening sky reflects off the glass buildings in the Galleria area before the urban density eases into the quieter, well-lit roads of Sugarland. If you're lucky, you might even catch the glow of a sunset, casting long shadows over the freeway, adding a scenic touch to the ride. As you cross the boundary into Sugarland, the roads become smoother, the traffic signals more evenly spaced, and the signage more welcoming. The well-planned layout of this suburban city is evident in the neatly arranged shopping plazas, parks, and residential neighborhoods. The further you drive in, the more the energy shifts from the fast pace of Houston to the relaxed, inviting atmosphere of Sugarland. Sugarland is home to a variety of dining options ranging from upscale restaurants to casual local favorites. If you're in the mood for fine dining, Perry's Steakhouse and Grill is a top choice, offering its famous pork chop dinner, aged steaks, and an extensive wine list. The elegant yet welcoming atmosphere makes it a great place for a special night out. For something more relaxed, Jupiter Pizza and Waffle Company blends comfort food and creative flavors. Their signature waffle dishes and wood-fired pizzas make for a satisfying meal, whether you're in the mood for something sweet or savory. If you're craving international cuisine, churrascos deliver bold Latin American flavors in a stylish setting, with their famous chimichurri steak and plantain chips being must-tries. For those who prefer quick and flavorful bites, the First Colony Mall area has plenty of options, including diverse Asian eateries, classic American diners, and trendy fast casual spots. So, whether you're looking for a full course meal or just a quick bite before heading out, Sugarland's food scene has something to offer every palate. After dinner, Sugarland's nightlife provides a variety of options, from vibrant lounges to laid-back pubs. If you're in the mood for live music and craft cocktails, the Rapport is a great choice, offering a New Orleans-style atmosphere with signature drinks and a selection of seafood dishes. The lively ambiance, paired with dim lighting and upbeat jazz music, makes it a perfect spot to kick back and enjoy the night. For a more relaxed, traditional pub experience, Baker Street Pub and Grill is a personal favorite. With its cozy British-style setting, live music performances, and impressive bar selection, it's a go-to spot for a casual night out. Whether you're enjoying a pint, playing a game of darts, or listening to a local band, Baker Street offers an inviting and unpretentious atmosphere that keeps people coming back. But if you're looking for something a bit more upscale, Sugarland Town Square has a variety of lounges and wine bars perfect for winding down the evening. Whether you prefer a high-energy social scene or a quiet place to chat over drinks, Sugarland's nightlife has something to fit your vibe. The journey from Houston to Sugarland offers a unique contrast, starting in the dense city traffic and ending in a suburban oasis. From the towering skyline of Houston to the peaceful streets of Sugarland, This route captures the best of both worlds. Whether you're visiting for the first time or returning to familiar ground, the drive itself sets the tone for an enjoyable evening. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your experience with Texas? Have you visited before, or is it a new stop on your journey? Let's talk about it on the comments below. And stay tuned for our next video as we enjoy an exciting out-of-this-world experience in Houston. Thanks for watching!
Hanging out with friends, sipping coffee, sipping stew. Whispers in the air, laughter echoes wide. Underneath the stars, let our worries slide. Distance were to glow, we find our way. Memories in the making, here we stay.